you can easily create LaTeX pie charts of different kinds. So let's get started. If you're new to LaTeX, you can use LaTeX on your desktop by using these two applications, or you can use Overleaf, which is a cloud-based application. So this is the basic structure of a LaTeX document. So it's a document class article, then there's a begin and end document. So this is our preamble section. I'm declaring these libraries or defining the colors, and here is the code which goes in the document. And let's get started one by one and see how we can do various charts. So this is the first one. I'm saying I have value and text, so 20 females, 80 males. As you can see, the values tend to be 100 in this case, so it's already converted to a percentage. But if it's not, then what do we do? So in an example like this, you can see sum equals auto, and then you can give whatever value, and it'll auto calculate the proportion of the slice of the pie, which is something like this. Let's get another one, and you can adjust the radius of the pie. You can increase or decrease it. In this one, I'm doing a legend on the right hand side. So using text equals legend option, we can do that. And another one, I'm trying to explode or highlight a particular section. So I'm using explode equals 0.1. You can increase the value or decrease the value. And then you can try to rotate your pie charts. So rotate 0, rotate 30, rotate minus 30. So that's an angle. So a positive value is anti-clockwise and a negative value is clockwise, as you can see. And then there's another option called text equals spin. This is what it does to your chart. So text equals spin option gives you something like this. And now this is a polar chart. When you do the polar option, you get something like this. And then you can obviously create a square pie chart also, or waffle chart. You can also create a cloud or a circular chart, which is like this. And you can also use your own colors. So in this case, I'm using my own colors. I've defined the HTML colors in this case, and then use that in a kind of an array. So 4 colors, because I got 4 circles or 4 different categories, and 1 for each. And this is what I get. And you can put some information before or after the number. In this case, I'm saying dollar before the number, and I'm saying the word sales after the number. You get something like this. So this is a fully working example where I've shown that how you can get the output in a proper LaTeX document. So I'm using the libraries or the packages. I'm defining my colors. And then I want to have the table of contents as well as the list of figures. This is a section where I'm just putting some one-liner. And then I'm starting the figure. So notice that H there, H stands for hair. You try removing it and see what happens. So I'm saying I want to put some caption. So there's a short title and there's a long title. Long title appears below the pie chart, and the short section or the short title gets in the list of figures. You can have the same for both though. So this is the structure of the document. And I hope you found this information useful and practical. Thank you very much for watching it, and I'll see you in the next one.